So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start this video without any further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 27th May 2025, and today is Tuesday. So basically, in this video, I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my today's routine video, right? So also this video is going to be the day of 538 days of routine video I'm gonna to share you, right? So yes, so let's start this video without having further delay. Just a second. So today, first of all, I wake up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that me and my sister went outside for wandering purpose, right? So after that, after some time later, we saw a person who was selling plant, right? So basically, after some time later, we came home and taken the permission from mother to purchase plant. Then after that we went to the same plant where we saw a person who was selling plant, but he was not there on that time. So we came back and we to the road. Then we from there we came to road and we saw a one more person who is selling plant. Then we stopped them and we purchased the plant, right? So we purchased two plant. The first plant name is Ram and second plant name is Syam, right? As people say, right? So after that we came home and we put that plant to the terrace. Then after that I had taken the bath. Then after some time later, me and my sister went to the terrace. Firstly, sister planted, and that another one I had planted, right? So after that I had shot a video. Then after some time later, I went outside to purchase onion. Then after that I came home again. I went outside to purchase onion. Then I came home. Then after that I changed the cylinder, right? So basically the first cylinder was finished. Then I changed to the full cylinder. Then after some time later I ate food, and after some time later I went to the Tuesday market with sister. And after that I came home. Then after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then guys, please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner, right? So now I'm gonna to start the environmental science theory into practice. uh, that is chapter 1, right? The summary I am going to start. Okay. So nature supports life. Man must realize the value of the environment and help to maintain it healthy and productive. The environment gave him this wonderful world. Before industrialization, urbanization, and population increase, mankind's natural environment was healthy and robust. Nature refilled its scarce supplies. After modern civilization began, the health and efficiency of the natural environment uh, began to deteriorate to the point that nature has lost its potential to restore man-made resource losses. Environmentalists, geographers, and biologists worldwide work to restore a sustainable ecosystem. Environmental management, pollution regulations, recycling of non-biodegradable material, etc. require more attention. Present-day sustainability in nature requires careful utilization of natural resources. Modern environmental concepts like biodiversity, conversion, and ecological balance requires more discussion. Environmental studies educate us to utilize natural uh, uh, requires careful utilization of natural resources. Modern environmental concepts like biodiversity, conversion, and ecological balance require more discussion. Environmental studies educate us to utilize natural resources more effectively and live sustainably. It reveals the natural behavior of organisms and their population and community interactions. So yes guys, this is a thing what is actually happened. Now going to the second chapter, that is ecosystem, concept, structure, pyramids and succession. So learning objectives, introduction, concept of ecosystem, structure of ecosystem, ecological pyramids, ecological succession summary, answer to in-text question, self-assessment questions, references, suggested readings. So we are going to do this now. Learning objectives. Know the concept, definition and structure of this ecosystem. Distinguish between biotic and abiotic components of the ecosystem. Understand the role of interaction among biotic and abiotic components. Explain the different types of ecological pyramids. Understand the term ecological succession. Now introduction. We are not alone in this world. We share our resources with other life forms. There are non-living things around us as well. Throughout our lifetime, we keep on interacting with other living beings and non-living things and act as part of ecosystems. The study of the ecosystem includes a complete analysis of the structure, regulation, and role of each component functioning there. Once we know it in detail, the study of the ecosystem and its importance to the equilibrium of the environment will be understood easily. Right. Okay. So, uh, concept of ecosystem. The ecosystem is the basic structural and functional unit of environment, both the living and non-living component of nature when interact with each other to establish a stable living community. It is called an ecosystem. That means there is a constant exchange of something between these things and non-living, which is called an ecosystem. Without the living component, the establishment of an ecosystem is not possible and vice versa. Both are two sides of a coin or very much complementary to each other. The study of all the physical as well as biological processes, including the distribution and abundance of living organisms and the interaction between them with their surrounding environment, is known as the ecosystem. In simpler words, if any environmental changes occur in the physical or abiotic factors, they in turn change the type and number of the organisms that are both the plants and the animals present in that particular area. The ecosystem is very complex in nature and human beings are a part of system also. The theme of the ecosystem is energy flow. Uh, Sustenance of the ecosystem is possible due to the energy dependence as well as energy transfer between various components of an ecosystem, may it be living or non-living. Examples of ecosystem are terrestrial or land-based ecosystems, land-based ecosystems, aquatic or water-based ecosystems, etc. Ecosystems, etc. So in the upcoming videos, I would like to discuss the structure of ecosystem and biotic components and some topics, right? So yes guys, I think it is enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you. Bye bye.